In this lesson, we will see together two words that are written differently but pronounced the same way. Pain, pain. So let's start with the first one, pain, and we'll have two examples. Elle a essayé de faire du pain chez elle. Elle a essayé de faire du pain chez elle. So in that situation, pain, as we can see, is a noun and it's masculine. Le pain, du pain. In this case, you combine the preposition de with the article le, and this is the reason why you have du pain. Le boulanger fait du pain frais tous les matins pour les habitants du quartier. Le boulanger fait du pain frais tous les matins pour les habitants du quartier. So same thing here. It's the noun un pain, le pain, and then here you combine it to get this partitive concept, du pain. Second one, pain, and we'll have two examples too. Nous avons pique-niqué sous un grand pin près du lac. Nous avons pique-niqué sous un grand pin près du lac. So as we can see in that situation, it's a noun, un pain. You can see the article here. So masculine, un pain, or then le pain. Les aiguilles de pin jonchaient le sol de la forêt, créant un tapis naturel. Les aiguilles de pin jonchaient le sol de la forêt, créant un tapis naturel. So it's the same word in that situation and it's still masculine and it's still the noun. Le pain, un pain. So let's agree on that. First one is a noun, masculine, un pain, le pain, and the second one is also a noun, un pain, le pain.